Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to delete a status on your ClickUp. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start by clicking open your web browser and signing to your ClickUp an account. Once you're signed in, from your home screen, go to the option of the space and click on the three dots at the right corner. Now from the expanded menu, click on Space Settings. Go to Task Statuses and you'll be able to see an active status that you have created for your ClickUp. In order to delete a status, hover over to the right corner of the status that you would like to edit or delete and give it a click from the expanded menu. You can see three options displayed. You can either rename your status, change the color of your status, or delete your status. Click on Delete and you'll be able to see that status has been removed from your list. Click on Review Changes and finally click on Save Changes, and that way you'll be able to delete a status on your ClickUp account. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.